Let's look at a quick way to help speed up your workflow as you try to figure out the dimensions for the images that you have. You may all be familiar with going up to image, down to image size, to figure out the width and the height for whatever image you're working on. Let me show you a little bit of an easier way here. If you go and display your info panel, and then go to the options, panel options right there, I'm going to ask that you check document dimensions. And this is going to display a little bit more information right here about the document that you see currently in the window. Now, what's cool and a little bit more efficient about this is you'll notice that I have multiple tabs open here at the top. As I move from tab to tab to tab, you'll see that that information changes, and I don't have to worry about using a bunch of different keyboard shortcuts or going up to the menu. So that's a little tip about how to quickly and easily find out the document dimensions when you're working with multiple open documents. I hope this helps.